So what's there, Grace? What does that one say?
It says 2 Grace, 1 Grammy.
Hold on, Mom.
Awesome. Okay.
Don't know what it is. I'm gonna open this one after this. Maybe it's something. It's 3 things.
Wow.
It's make your own keychain bracelet or bread. I
Wow.
could use a lot of bread.
Mm-hmm.
Can I open this one now? Or a bracelet. Or nothing.
Shrinky things, huh?
I don't know.
Well, what does it say there? Wow, Grace.
Friends fashion refund.
Good.
Ooh, I wonder what this is. Let's see.
What's it say,
so
sweetie?
many things. Scrapbook. It's photos. Photos. Cool. I put photos in here.
Cool.
And let's see. It's a picture I can read.
A butterfly diary.
Butterfly diary. Ooh.
Yeah, good stuff.
Grace.
3 things in there.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.